don't know what it is, guys. Oh, there's been things in there. There's like papers.
Mommy, I like this. Oh, so cool.
At least we have a tiny package. We don't have one of those big ones, but we at least got a package. And it's something hard, so I have no idea what it is. It does
Maybe
not feel like a phone case.
It's not phone case?
Package.
Oh my goodness!
What is it?
Oh my goodness! Kisses! Wow!
Let's open it.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I was hoping they were going to be big. Hi, Daniela.
Wow.
See?
So cool.
What is
They're so tiny, guys. See, it's like my hand. I was hoping they were like Daniela size or something.
They're so tiny. What are they for?
To clean.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
What's
vacuum. There's the line.
Dee.
It's so tiny.
Hey, Dee.
See, to clean.
Yeah.
See, like a
I
small
want
bucket.
this.
Yeah, this one.
Guys, this is so cute. It's for our dolls.
Yeah.
It's
For a dollhouse,
Look
huh?
at this.
Ah, that tickles. What else comes with this? What's this?
To squish the water
Well,
here.
so cool.
Yeah, it's like like the adult one, right?
Yeah, like,
But they made it like toy.
yeah, like for kids.
Ooh. So funny.
So you can clean your
Oh, look.
dollhouse, huh?
Look.
See? Yeah, I was hoping they were going to be that size, right?
It's big.
So Daniela can play with it.
It's big and full. Give me to me. Give
But
me
at
to
least
me.
this is like for a dollhouse.
It's not working.
Daniela, wait, give it to me.
What?
Give it to me.
Right here.
No, give it to me.
See? You can squish it there. Put some water, clean the floor.
Because
See?
my sister was doing this one yesterday.
Yeah,
Like
with the real one, huh?
No, así no, Daniela, limpia bien para adelante y para atrás, como vuelvo te enseño. Ahí. Esa es la que, da. Vuelve bien, no, limpia bien, Daniela, limpia bien. Ahí. Haz otra vez trapero. Dale el pedal del trapero allí. Dale, para que abuelo vea.
Yeah? You are doing it with the real one?
Wait. I think this one's for this.
Oh, look. Look.
Yeah, it's like a vacuum piece.
Vamos a enseñarle a la abuela cómo limpia a la niña.
It's pull it down right here.
Yeah. So we put water in there, right? See, cleaner. We put water.
And guys,
You
this
dip it.
actually works, I think.
Like a real
Look.
vacuum.
Hey, guys, look.
See, Daniela's cleaning already. Pick up all the Play-Doh one.
What's the more Play-Doh.
No Play-Doh anymore?
No.
No?
Yeah, there is Play-Doh.
Mommy, give me to me this. Give me to me. Oh, Mommy's both in it.
So it's this baby broom.
So cool. So cool.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Sweet, tiny one.
What's this for?
To put the garbage.
Oh, yeah.
So you
Give me to me.
give me to me. So look at here. Daniela es.
See? You dip in the water.
But what's this
Dip, dip, dip in the water. Squish, squish, squish. And clean the floor.
Look.
And the vacuum. Yeah, your turn. To do the vacuum.
Turn it on.
It has a hole, so I think it goes through here, and it goes through this, and then the water like squirts through here. Whoa, this moves.
Oh, look.
This should be for like the playground.
Yeah.
You like it? You happy?
Yeah.
Hmm? Are you happy, Aniela?
So cool.
Where's this part?
So cool, huh?
Yeah.
We'll be definitely entertained.
Oh, look. Oh my god.
I like cleaning, but not that much. But now I'm gonna love cleaning because it's like a toy. So now I'm gonna love it.
Just leave alone, Tata.
Leave alone, Papa. What if we actually get water?
Let's see what happened.
Yeah. Wait, we need to put this on here. Oh, there we go.
Oh, look.
Okay. No, you don't dip it in there.
Yeah, in the
Dip it
water.
in here.
That's just... Ese para quitarle el agua.
Oh,
You dip it in the water and then
dip
there's...
it in the water.
Yeah.
Okay.
And clean, clean, clean.
Clean, clean, clean. Whoa, it actually works.
Not this too, Tata.
Gentle. See? Write your name.
Guys, I think this is for babies. Because this is so small to teach babies when they're like young, like really young. Hey, I kind of did it. Oh, it's like a stamp.
Whoa,
What's this
so
little
cool.
brush for?
We need to see it. I know it's gone. And we don't sit on the picture. But it's on me.
Oh my god, guys. I just found the best idea ever. Ready?
Gonna clean your shoes?
Whoa, give me to me, give me to me. I mean, I clean my shoes.
Oh wow, my shoes are really dirty.
No, this. This one.
Yeah, can I have it?
Just
I
put
should've
it
brought
on
soap.
water.
I should have brought soap.
Yeah, I did.
I'm like, whoa. Should I bring soap
Send
or
me
no?
to the water.
That's the vacuum
That's a vacuum.
to get all the dirt out.
Yeah, to get
Has a...
I want to see if that works.
It's not working. Hey, we need to the water
What if I use this?
right now. And as it
How to get your kids to clean shoes?
Oh.
Oh no.
Ven, Daniela.
How to get your kids to clean shoes?
Look.
Just buy this on Wish, and then they can just clean the shoes.
Now the water's gone.
Yeah, I'm gonna get more.
I do another vacuum.
Good job.
Whoa. It got more on it. No. So close, guys. Bonaki.
I got some soapy water.
Soapy water. Soapy water.
So mix, mix,
Soapy
mix.
Water. Soapy water.
You have to mix, mix.
My shoe.
Tata, this.
We don't need this anymore.
Yeah, now we can see the bubbles.
Tata.
Yeah, now we
No
can see
water, this.
Okay, ready?
I say this. Give me to me.
Smells so good.
Give me to me. Give me to me.
Give me to me.
Did you? No, not this.
Yes, please.
No, it's not clean.
And then
Not bubbles.
Oh, se
otra
fueron los
vez.
bubbles.
Not bubbles.
All them bubbles.
Bubbly.
It's clean. So this is definitely a good thing that we got a package, and at the same time it's
Oh,
fun.
look. It get rose.
So I would definitely say buy this for your kids on Wish because they'll get so entertained and they'll help.
The funny part, guys, that I was thinking everything was going to be like this size, right? Comparing to what Daniela has in her hand. Come over, Daniela. Can I see your vacuum? Look at that, guys.
It get rose. Like.
Ready?
So cool.
See, everything is so tiny.
We get some more water.
Guys, look how clean that is.
When we get some
It's
more
fine. Okay.
water.
Get some water with soap
No.
Everything
in the
is
washroom.
so tiny. Everything fits in your hand.
Everything fits in my hands. I just love it because it's like, so cute. And guys, you should definitely let your kids play with this because they're helping you clean.
Yeah, imagine starting cleaning the house with that.
Well, it makes like kids smile and like be funny and stuff. So
Bubbles everywhere. So tiny. So tiny. There.
I thought this was for like the little like strainer thing.
It did crack. It was like poof.
You broke it.
I was trying to fix it to turn her straight because it was sideways. And it popped.
Whoa, I got some more water.
Oh, thank you. Now we need it to be soapy. Now we can
Stop them. Mommy, you break it.
Yeah, we had to fix it. We had to put some glue. Sorry.
Mommy, what? You broke it.
We had to put some glue. Mommy was trying to fix
After
it.
scrubbing for a long time, I want to see how good I actually clean this. Oh wow, this actually takes like all that dirty,
heavy. So heavy.
all that dirty soap away. Make it
Whoa.
even get in the cracks.
Whoa. This stuff down. This.
Are you gonna help me scrub it?
This.
Scrub the bottom. I scrub the top.
Give me that, and you scrub this.
Be careful with the water. I'll put the shoe down. Don't scrub my face. She was gonna scrub my face.
She was looking for the shoes, but you put it down.
She thought down was my
All
face.
clean. Wow, good job.
And guys, after we like scrub it, okay, I think it's good.
All clean.
Okay, ready? Now look, ready? We're gonna see how clean it actually is.
Give me to me.
Give me to me.
See the sponge?
Sponge actually like takes some of it off. After we
All
take
the bubbles away. Sí, ahí viene el muchacho, ven, ese se va acá. See? All clean.
And this.
I thought it.
Oh my goodness.
There goes the water again.
Water again.
At least we could like kind of like. Okay, ready? Now time to clean this one.
See, we can see the difference now when you compare the clean one with the dirty one.
We need some more water.
Yeah, we need some
It's
more.
not all done too.
It's not all done? You still have some water in there? Yeah.
I could hear someone talking. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
And subscribe, like, and hope you guys like this video. Remember to like, subscribe,
Bye.
and share. Smash the like button.